Hey, what's up, guys? Another episode of just me talking over stuff I made in Photoshop, which is, I don't know, just episode 2. Here we fucking go, I guess. Uh, I haven't been uploading as often as I have in the past because I have a sickness. Just a regular sickness. It sucks. So for that reason, I kind of delayed on making this video by like 2 days, and I'm kind of trying to think of other things I'm trying to do for uploads and stuff. So yeah. And today's theme is clearly Sonic, because they're releasing the Sonic movie, and I mean, the character just looks kinda bad, you know? Like, if you compare side by side the two characters, like the original Sonic character and the one in the movie, you can notice a few differences, like the missing gloves. I'm pretty sure the shoes aren't there. They might be. No, the shoes are there. The gloves are not. And the eyes aren't connected like in the original character. They kind of took like a Detective Pikachu kind of like aspect in this movie, where the eyes are just horrifying, realistic, and then the teeth, you know. So I took it, I kind of took the idea and decided to make the movie look even more realistic, because everybody loves realism, right? That's the ongoing movie trend. Let's make a what's it called? Like a realistic SpongeBob movie. SpongeBob movie 3 with the new directors that are apparently making the like next seasons of whatever they're making like terrible. Haven't watched that show in ages by now. But yeah. Here we are, you know? Hmm. So yeah, quality Photoshop skills, as you can see. I already have the Sonic with a beard, the realistic human teeth, and a little foam at the mouth as well, because who doesn't like that either? And I was just kind of going with like whatever I wanted to do. I was thinking, what else could I add to this? So I put the mouth and the eyes. I had that in mind, and then slowly geared my way towards making him look as like crazy as possible. So if he looked like, the guy looks like a serial killer at this point. So I decided, okay, I'll give him like a dirty white shirt. And then I kind of took it upon myself to like draw one on him and then make it look realistic. It's perfect. Perfection. Gotta add the shading, gotta make it look real. Stuff you learn along the way. Though I'm not an expert, I think it looked pretty good on him. Perfect size. Gotta add a little pink eye in there as well, because who doesn't like that either? Yes. So it seemed that I did well with the last video. There was an issue with the sprays not showing up in the game, but I fixed that. So if you wanted to download the spray from before, you can do that. And it's just a nice JPEG file that you can just put wherever you want. Search for it in the sprays for TF2. And just select it, apply, and boom. It's very simple. And of course with the last one, the spray for this one is available as well for download in the description down below. And of course, that being said, in the description there's always the Twitter link, the Discord link. I'm on Discord like all the time, but I might be on offline mode, so if you want to talk, just like put a message in the chat. But yeah, it's quite nice. I really like doing Photoshop stuff, so I think I'm gonna keep doing this and just like keep making like sprays that you can use in TF2. Cause I like what Nate Fox did. He was like an old TF2 YouTuber. He did interactive sprays. I was just thinking, okay, I could just make sprays to distract people. But yeah, that's the overall idea. If you like what I do, you can go ahead and like the video, share it to your friends, I don't know, just do whatever you want. And yeah, that's about it. Guess I'll see you guys in the next one.